Hello everyone. As you all knew that we are going through exercise 2.2 of compound interest, standard 9. Today I have chosen one more question to solve which is different from the previous one, and that is question number 8. After reading the question I will explain you how it is different from the previous ones. Let's see what is given in the question. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 2000 in 2 years if the rate is 4% for the first year and 3% for the second year. That is the difference between the question previous one and this one. Here two rates are given. In my video number 10 I taught you the basic concept about the use of compound interest formula and special case when two different or three different rates are given for successive years. So we are going to use that formula here. Let's see how we will solve the sum. So first of all we will write what is given. Principal is rupees 2000, time is 2 years, rate for first year is R1 for 4% and R2, that is rate for second year, is 3%. We need to find out amount and compound interest. And what was the formula? If you want, you may cross check video number 10. Amount is P into 1 plus R1 by 100 and 1 plus R2 by 100. As we knew, the formula for amount is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. So we may write 2 years if the rate is same. But here 2 year is timing. So twice we have written. Per year the rate is different. That's why twice we have written. Whatever is written inside the bracket. We repeated the same thing. Okay, only the rate is changed. That's why this is the formula for successive years when the rates are different. Now what is P? 2000 into 1 plus 4 by 100 into 1 plus 3 by 100. Now what? It is 2000 within bracket 100 plus 4 within bracket 100 plus 3. So it is 2000 into 104 into 103 divided by 100 into 100, 1020 cancelled, 1010 and 2 5 jet 10. So this is 104 into 103 divided by 5, that is 107.12. Sorry, this is not point, this is 107.12, that is 10,712 divided by 5. When we will divide this, we will get 2142.4, that is 40 paise. This is amount after 2 years with two different rates. Therefore what is CI? CI is A minus P. What is CA? It is 2142.4 minus 2000. Therefore compound interest is 142.42. So these are the two answers. This is amount, this is compound interest. So you must remember, if the rates are different, so we will use this formula. Instead of writing power in the place of timing, we will repeat that time all the things which is written inside the bracket. Similarly, if you see question number 9, similar question, what is given? Find the compound interest on rupees 3125 for 3 years if the rates of interest for the first, second and third year are respectively 4%, 5%, 6% per annum. What you will do? I will write all the given things. Only one thing will increase here, P into 1 plus R1 by 100, 1 plus R2 by 100 and one more bracket is there, 1 plus R3 by 100, because there are 3 rates. And in this way you may solve the sum. I hope you all are doing practice, because maths is impossible without doing practice on your own. So please do practice, children. Thank you. Bye bye.